Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video here on XCN or Onyx. Wanted to do daily updates here because I think ultimately there's some more things we need to talk about, and unfortunately, I have to say that it looks a little bit worse than yesterday. Now the price is still kind of at similar levels. I think the price yesterday when we made the video, was trading about 8% higher, which is, quite a bit, but for XCN, an 8% move is not that much. And you can also see structurally, the one thing that has changed and what we need to talk about is the fact that yesterday we were still holding on the 4-hour time frame this trend band here. You can see the 28 EMA was respected. And now we've dropped down below that, and well, it's not. The thing is that it's kind of a double-edged sword, all right? Because yes, this is more bearish, and we're also losing volume here, and we kind of have to hurry up here with getting some bullish momentum. Because there are some bullish fundamentals still in the future, and yesterday they also talked about an OIP to increase XCN staking rewards, so that's all bullish for XCN short term at least. But ultimately, I mean, if that's all coming soon, and we know that next week, we know that tomorrow we have some news coming out. I believe we have the white paper, and I believe Thursday we also have some news coming out. If that's all coming out, most likely, or at least if you go back into time, a coin doesn't rally after big news has been announced, right? Sometimes it does, but in bearish market circumstances, which short term we are in, that usually doesn't happen, all right? So and then if you see the volume drop down, what I meant with a double-edged sword is that it's good that we're actually holding these levels while the market is very bearish. But holding these levels, if you look at XCN specifically, all right, so if you think away the market for a moment, we have to hurry up soon, and we cannot be losing volume like this. So what I think is the situation for XCN is that I still think we are more bullish than bearish, which might sound weird because basically since Thursday we've been dropping down. But we're still holding this major support level right here at like 2.9 and 3 cents. As long as we're holding that, as long as we haven't broken down below that on the higher time frames, I think we can still move higher. If you look at something like the daily time frame, or if you look at the 12-hour time frame here, you could even argue that if we hold 2.5, 2.6, we're fine. But this is the last chance, right? I need to see some sort of a major increase in the volume soon. If that happens, we can actually rally up, and we can move up to 3.6, find some resistance, and move into 4.2, 4.3 cents again. So yes, that is possible. But given the full picture here, which is that the market is not amazing, which the market was much better when XCN had these moves in the last 2 weeks. Given the situation there, and given the situation which is going on for XCN right now, which is it's losing volume and it's losing strong support levels technically, I do think it is most likely, unfortunately, that we will drop down lower, and that we will not rally. All right, so yesterday I still thought it was most likely we would rally. I still think it's a possibility, and I still think you need to be ready for that potential rally. But unfortunately, I cannot ignore what's going on right now, and I cannot ignore what I expect from the markets, and the uncertainty in the markets in the short term. So that's why I'm telling you this. Main next support level is around 2.6. I don't expect something so drastic. I would say it's more likely we'll do something like this, and if we fail to hold this, if we fail to gain that volume increase, we'll drop down into 2.2 and 2 cents, and from there we'll see again. I'll keep you updated on this if something pops up, if something interesting happens. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.